I'm Chuck Warner. I'm the head mechanic at Elkhart Community Schools here in Elkhart, Indiana. We currently have 159 buses. We use the same oil in gas or diesel, and we have a mixture of diesel engines, Mercedes, Caterpillar, Cummins. So we use all the same oil in those. We had some trouble with the other vendor that we were buying oil from. Sometimes we would get good oil, sometimes we would not get good oil. And Dean came into our life and he promised us good results with good oil and good diesel fuel. And we made the right choice. It was a leap of faith, it really was, and it's all worked out. I can tell you that when we first started, we were very inconsistent. But now that we've used CountryMark and full synthetic, all of our engines are doing good. The oil sampling is great. With the website, they do a wonderful job of keeping that on track for me and keeping that information for me throughout the life of our bus. It's very well graphed and very well laid out, easily laid out, that I can kind of look at my trends. Every situation is different, but in a school situation with stop and go buses, the CountryMark oil has been great for us. We've been able to increase our mileage between oil changes, increase our hours between oil changes. Sometimes we go 2 or 3, 4 samples before we do a repair. With the CountryMark fuel, we've done a great job. It's less injector problems, less fuel pump problems, especially with the different style engines we have. We had a lot of frozen fuel in the winter. I'm not sure we had any of that in the past few years. Oh my gosh, 5 years or so. Our jobs are a little bit easier here because of the oil and because of the fuel that we're using. You're not behind the 8 ball all the time. You're ahead of it. We do have twice a year state police inspections, and right now, out of the 159 buses we actually have 60 12-year-olds or older. And because of their maintenance program, using the oil analysis, all of our buses are top-notch. I hear it every time they come in. Well, we just love coming here to Elkhart. When you change from vendors between fuel or oil or anything, it's always a leap of faith. And I'll tell you to please try CountryMark. We've had nothing but wonderful luck with those.